As we all know that creating the consistent characters in AI videos is still a challenging thing, but no more, because I have an AI tool that allows you to keep your character consistent, and not just the character. You can keep the environment consistent, you can keep the multiple character consistent. So what's this AI tool is? Let's find out. Alright, so I'm talking about Pollo AI. Well, I have already covered a detailed video on this tool, but now they came up with some new features, and on the left side you can see we have the text to video, image to video, consistent character video, video to anime, AI animation, AI video effects, and you can see all of these templates and effects that are viral on the internet right now. Like we have the muscle templates, we have the AI hug templates, AI kissing templates. So we have a lot of different things, and if you go to the explore page, these are all of the videos generated with this AI tool. But in this particular video, we're only going to focus on their consistent character feature. So click on the consistent character and don't forget to claim your free credits. And here is the interface of this AI tool. We have the option to upload the 3 different images. Then we have the prompt bar. You can adjust the aspect ratio. We have the 16:9, 9:16, 1:1, all of the popular aspect ratios. You can adjust the video length, which is the 4 seconds and the 8 seconds. Then you can also control the video resolution, which is all the way to the 1080p. That is a good thing. And here's a very useful option that you can adjust the motion of your video. So right now this is on auto. You can select the small motion, you can select the medium, large, according to your preferences. So first of all, we need to upload the reference image of our character. So let's say I'm gonna select this woman as our character, and then you will have this canvas. So you can adjust the image or crop the image accordingly if you want to, but I'm okay with this one, and hit okay. Now let's give it a prompt like a woman skating on ice. The shot starts with the close-up of the face and then zoom out. Now here we have one more useful option. So if you enable the prompt magic, the AI will automatically enhance your prompt. So if you're not good in prompting, you don't need to worry about that. The AI will handle all of the things for you. And now hit create. Okay, so this is the output video, and you can see this is exactly the same model that we have in our input image, and this is following the prompt exactly as we have mentioned. You can see there is a close-up of this woman, and we have a rolling effect in this one. We have mentioned the zoom out, but this is even better than the zoom out effect. And not just the facial features are same, you can see the eyes, hairs, each and everything is similar to our input image, but it also try to keep the clothing consistent. This is really good. Now let's try something else. So this time I'm going to use this image of this Indian old man, and the prompt will be an old man aiming with a rifle. Okay, so this is the output video, and this is crazy. The character is obviously the same, but it also tried to regenerate the background of this video. So in the initial image the background was different, but in this one it tried to recreate that background but similar to that context. So if you're thinking that this is just an image to video, obviously not, because it generated the whole new background according to the image. And the hands are looking very good, because in most of the cases AI just messes with the hands, but in this case the hands are perfect. Now you can also add multiple elements, like for example I want to add this futuristic bike and this futuristic tunnel, and the prompt will be an old man riding a futuristic bike in a futuristic tunnel. And here are the results, and now you can see the old man is riding the exact same bike, even though the handles was not visible in the initial image. This is some kind of a weird bike, but AI tried to add the handles itself just to make sense that this is holding something. And if we talk about the motions and the consistency of the subject and consistency of this object, this is on point. So not just the character, you can also define your environment, you can also add multiple objects just to get your desired results. So here we have one more impressive output where I use this image of our character and then this image of a bench, and this is the output video. And again, I have no complaints with this one. Just look at the character consistency. This is on point. And not just the character, you can see the background is also similar to our input image. The bench was on a street, and the AI automatically added some people on the background, added some shops and signs just to make it look real so that it can make some sense. Now what about the multiple characters? So let's say I want to add this character and this character in a single scene, and here is the output. And now you can see both of these characters are in a single scene, and I prompted that both of them are in a shopping mall. So you are not just limited to a single character, you can also add multiple characters, and this will keep the characters consistent, as you can see in this particular example. Now let me show you one more interesting thing, like if you have any clothing brand. So this was the initial image of our character, and this was the image of the t-shirt. And in the prompt section, I typed the woman wearing a t-shirt, and you can see she's wearing the exact same t-shirt. And even though the pattern and the text is consistent. So if you have any clothing brand and want to create any virtual model, this can also handle that thing. And here is a one more example where this woman is wearing a scarf. So this was the initial image. This is the scarf image, and this is the image of her glasses. And now you can see the woman is wearing the exact same product. The sunglasses are same, the scarf is same, and the character is same. So you are not just limited to the AI movie scenes. If you want to advertise with the AI, you also have that option. So if you have any website, you can get the help from the AI. And here's the one more example of the clothing. So this is the character image, this is the jacket, and this is the trouser. And now you can see the exact same lady wearing the exact same clothes. We don't have any issues with the patterns, we don't have any issue with the textures. So this is another possibility with this AI tool. So if you're thinking how does it perform with the cartoon characters, so this is the output from the cartoon character. So this was our initial image, and here is the output. And it also performs really well with the animated characters. So if you're working on any animated film or any kind of a project, you can also create the consistent characters in this style. So these are some of the examples, but there are a lot of possibilities that you can try, not just for the film projects. You can also use this for the advertisement. And that's it from today. I hope you enjoyed this video. The link will be in the description below. Go ahead and check this out. See you guys in the next one.